Greetings, boys and girls. It is now time for Reader's Workshop. We're having fun learning reading today. Reading today is fun. We learn from our success. We learn from everyone. We're having fun learning reading today. Reading today is fun. We learn from our success. We learn from everyone. We're learning to think. Think today. Thinking today is fun. Thinking helps solve problems. Solving problems helps everyone. We're learning to think. Think today. Thinking today is fun. Thinking helps solve problems. Solving problems helps everyone. Boys and girls, can you read our learning target with me? I can ask and answer questions while I read in order to understand what I read. Remember, boys and girls, yesterday we were working on answering why questions. And remember, why questions ask about a reason that something happens. We read about bees. Here are the answers to your questions from yesterday. Why does the bee do a dance for other bees? Remember, we want to flip that question into an answer by crossing off the question words and underlining everything else, so we'll know how to begin our answer. You should have, the bee does a dance for other bees to let them know where to find food. I found this answer in the last sentence. Here it is, boys and girls. When a bee finds nectar or pollen, it does a dance for the other bees to let them know where to find food. Now let's look at our next question. Why are bees good for the plant cycle? Remember, we want to first flip the question into an answer by crossing off the question words and underlining everything else. Your answer should be, bees are good for the plant cycle because they help seeds through pollination. I found this answer in sentences 5 and 6. Remember, boys and girls, the words in the question may not match up with any of the words in the passage. We have to actually think about what the question is asking us. Well, I know that in a plant life cycle, the plant starts off as a seed and then grows into a plant, then makes new seeds, and then dies. In sentence 5, it talks about seeds, so that has something to do with the plant cycle. So that's where I can find the answer, and that's where I did find the answer. As bees carry pollen from one flower to another, seeds begin to grow. This is called pollination. Boys and girls, that's how bees help plants in the plant life cycle. They help the plants to form the seeds through pollination. Yesterday, did you ask and answer your own why question using something from this passage and send it to your teacher? If you did, great job. Today, we're going to practice answering how questions. How questions ask about the way something is done. Today we'll read the beginning of a passage together about great white sharks. And then we'll answer a question using the FAT format. Great white shark. One of the most feared animals in the world is the great white shark. It gets its name from its white belly. The top of the great white is gray, which helps it blend in with the rocks at the bottom of the ocean. The great white shark can grow up to 20 feet long. And now it's time for our question. How does the great white shark blend in with the bottom of the ocean? Boys and girls, remember, we're going to cross off the beginning of the question and underline everything else. So we'll know what to look for in the passage, and we'll also know how to begin our answer. The great white shark blend in with the bottom ocean. So I'm going to look for the part that talks about the great white shark blending in with the ocean. I see something here. The top of the great white is gray, which helps it blend in with the rocks at the bottom of the ocean. Boys and girls, that's our answer. So I'm going to flip the question into an answer the question, and then tell where I found the answer. The great white shark blends in with the bottom of the ocean, comma, because the top of the great white shark is gray, which helps it blend in with the rocks at the bottom of the ocean. I found my answer in the, and let me count my sentences here, boys and girls. One sentence to the third sentence. Boys and girls, I've answered my question and proven where I found the answer. Now it's your turn to continue to read about the great white shark. Remember, after you read the passage, you're going to ask and answer your own questions about the great white shark, and then answer the questions here. Boys and girls, don't forget to take a picture and send it to your teacher of your answers. After that, you're going to continue to read on your own. Remember, you can use HeadSprout or Raz Kids to help you improve upon your reading, Freckle, or the books from the Cobb Digital Library. Get out your pencil and paper and have fun.